What's your name?
Cameron Finlayson.
What do you do?
I work as a senior asset engineer for City Power, Powercor and United Energy.
Cool. And how do you decide between repairing or replacing an aging asset?
So there are a few factors which go into whether we choose to repair or replace. Largely how long we expect that asset to be able to be in service for. If we take a traditional transformer, for example, we might find that when it's about 3/4 of the way through its life, often around 40 years of age, then we can do some work to repair components of it, which will give it another 20 years of life. However, if an asset is starting to get towards the end of its design life, which may be 50, 60 years old, it may be more cost effective to replace that unit with a new one. There may also be some other factors which come into it, which would be, is there a network need to change the configuration around? So where we may have a younger asset which could be repaired, it may be more optimal for the network to swap it out with something different.
Awesome, thank you.